Once upon a time, the internet's evolution. To understand Web3, we have to go back and look at how the internet evolved in stages. You can think of the internet like a growing child. It started out simple and got more complex and capable over time. In the beginning, there was Web 1. This was the read-only web. Websites were static, like online brochures or newspapers. You could visit a page, read the information, maybe see some images. But that was it. Only a few people, like developers or companies, could create websites. Users were just consumers, not creators. Think of it like going to a museum. You look, but you don't touch or change anything. Then came Web 2, the interactive and social web. Big platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter let people create content, share it, and interact with others. You could now write, comment, like, upload photos, and more. The internet became a place to socialize, work, and build communities. However, a few big tech companies controlled the platforms and owned the data. Imagine a mall where you can hang out, talk to friends, and build a small store. But the mall owner, like Facebook or Google, owns everything, including your store, your data, and even your customer list. This worked great for a while, but some problems started to appear. As people spent more time online and put more of their lives on the internet, they started noticing issues. Lack of control. If a platform bans you, you lose everything: your audience, your content, your income. Data privacy. Companies collect, store, and often sell your data. You don't own it. Monopolies. A few companies got very powerful and set the rules. Censorship. What you post or create can be taken down or limited by the platform. These issues led to a new idea. What if users could truly own their data, their identity, and even parts of the internet itself? Enter Web 3, the ownership web. Web 3 is the next stage of the internet, a web where users have ownership and control. It uses blockchain technology, like the tech behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Instead of central servers owned by companies, it runs on decentralized networks, meaning no single company is in charge. You can own digital items like NFTs, your identity, and even parts of online apps via tokens. Developers build dApps, decentralized apps that aren't controlled by one company. In Web 3, you don't log in with a username and password. You connect a crypto wallet that only you control. You can earn tokens for contributing to a platform, like writing, curating, or coding. You can vote on decisions about how a platform runs, called governance. It's just short for Web 3.0, the third big phase of the internet. Web 1 equals read, Web 2 equals read plus write, Web 3 equals read plus write plus own. Examples of Web 3 in action. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin lets people send money without banks. Ethereum, a platform to build decentralized apps using smart contracts. NFTs, digital art, music, and collectibles you can truly own. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Online communities that govern themselves using code and votes. Web 3 is still in its early days. Some people are super excited about it. Others are skeptical. There are issues with scams, user experience, and regulation, but people are actively working on making it better. It might not fully replace Web 2, but it introduces powerful ideas about freedom, ownership, and control in the digital world. In a nutshell, Web 3 came about because people wanted a better, fairer internet, one where you own your data, you control your identity, you can earn and participate, and no one company or person runs everything. It's not perfect, but it's trying to shift power from the center, big companies, to the edges, the users. This is the end of what Web 3 is. Let me know in the comments section if you loved this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and also follow my Telegram channel.